There's only one best smartphone in the world. Is this it? Fingerprint sensor. Wow, now that is very smooth and impressive. We also have a Google News. Well, I'm in Poland, so this is Polish Google News. In your country will be different. Very smooth, 120 Hz. Also, payment. You can pay for your groceries or whatever you want to pay for it in any store. Everything works flawlessly. Winning. Gboard is pre-installed and you can add your language, all the languages in the world, because it's from Google. For example, go Power Rangers! We also have a satellite network connections, SOS, VPN, private DNS, personal hotspot, OTG. Screen could be set for Quad HD and high resolution, 120 Hz. Changing a wallpaper is super easy. And it's basically on the fly. Look how fast that is. The optimization is vast. I like this one. It's pretty cool. And done. Call recording. Don't record at all. Record all the calls automated. And record custom calls. So you can choose which number you want to record. That is super cool. You can see I'm recording. Hello? Hello? Halo?
No, halo?
Co tam?
Co tam? Dzwonisz?
Sprawdzam coś. Okej, dobra, nara.
No, hej.
Check this out.
Co tam? Dzwonisz?
Sprawdzam coś. Okej, dobra, nara.
No, hej.
Wow! The quality of that audio, second to none. And you can transfer to text, but in English. I was speaking in Polish. And the power itself, 2,124,000 points. That's more than I've seen in any smartphone. I love it. Storage test, also very, very good. 1,400 for the read and 1,375 for the write. What does that mean? It means multitasking. For example, gaming and record a game will be great. If those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, I will show a different benchmark which can compare to the Galaxy smartphone like Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has an overclocked chip, and we still have a bigger score. Number one. The difference is not that huge to the Galaxy S24, but still first. In the multi, a little bit lower, second place from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but the difference is like 20 points. Oh, sorry, 50 points, 60 points, 60. That's nothing. If I make another benchmark, I could be same or higher. So it's basically the same. That is super cool. But those numbers doesn't mean anything if you cannot game. Let's game. Alright. Oh wow, such a smooth gameplay. Damn. They're coming. Ah. Headshot! Got him. I got two of them. Number 3. Where is he? Number 4. Winning! I like that. Ooh, no! Oh shit. Got him. Got him with the sword. Ha! Check that out. Dead by dawn. Winning! Alright, that's winning. Winning. Beautiful gameplay. Do we have a game mode? Oh yeah, we do have a game mode. All kinds of features. Damn. You can even record and 4G gameplay. Anyway, it's amazing. And with the camera, which is extremely powerful with insane amount of features, I made a separate video. for the camera walkthrough and all the features. I'm not going to waste your time on this video too much. We do have portrait, we do have photo, we do have autofocus and wide angle lens. We can switch lenses during the recording. Extreme macro, oh, brutally extreme macro. Check out the quality, it's amazing. Of course, in a video we can switch lenses during the recording. We can pause, we can take a photo, and we can do whatever we want. Let me show you some samples. Vivo is great for vlogging in 4K 60. We do have a store nearby. Let's eat some. For example, we're in a store and we're going to have a fish today. With a wide angle lens, you can do all kinds of macros, tons of details. Also, telephoto 3.7 can show even more macros. Wow. Tons of details and such a tremendous quality. And if you're a vegan, we have something for you. Look at those details. Damn. If you want to vlog from a smartphone, what do you need? You need a wide angle lens. You need autofocus and wide angle lens. You need a great video stabilization and all the lenses. You need 4K 60 frames per second, and you also need switching to the front-facing camera during the recording. And all those features, and also autofocus and front-facing camera, Vivo will give it to you. Not too many smartphones have them all. Basically 2 in the world. 2. S24 Ultra and Vivo X100 Ultra. But Vivo is smaller, easy to use, greater battery. Can we spy on our neighbors? Oh yeah. Check this out. Of course we can spy. Oh yeah. Some James Bond stuff, my friend. James Bond. Mission Impossible at the same time. Wow, wow. Now that is a proper zoom. At night, Vivo is like a night vision. It reminds me of full frame camera, which seeing more than your eyes. For example, look at that. If you go wide angle, of course it will be dark because it's a darker lens. Look how dark it is. Basically black. Pitch black. What's going on there? A night vision. That's not over because when I shoot a photo, what is this place? Where am I? I'm in an old studio. It looks really weird, but it's great in acoustics. You know what's also great? The battery life on Vivo. I got 5 hours, 32 minutes of on-screen time and still have 35% of the battery. How sick is that? And it's really, really good. It also has wireless charging. Wireless charger from Vivo for 2024, which you can have for half the price if you buy a Vivo. How cool is that? I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it is doing it. 30 watt for the Ultra. This one has a maximum of 50 watt maxed out. This is 30. Okay, what? Let me do it again. 30 watt charging in the Ultra, and Fold is 50 watt. The charger itself is 50 max. But okay, let me do it for the nice demo. Nice, and you can see fast charging. The Vivo itself has the best components in the market. Best camera, best battery, best microphones. And that is what I was waiting for. This will be my daily driver. There's no better smartphone camera in the market. It's fantastic. You know what's also fantastic? Price in the description. $200 less, or euros if you're in Europe. And also additional code for you for half the price charger, and additional code for you for free shipping. Those codes are accumulating each other, so no worries there. You see, in the description, there's a store which is also superior, like Vivo, from anything in the market. They are great. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye.